There's this thing called the U.S. Constitution that requires due process, and the Constitution reigns supreme.
Let's go to my friend Megyn Kelly, who actually was a lawyer for a little bit of legal analysis.
Seen the prosecution's case in full against Donald Trump, and it's even more outrageous than we knew. There's a reason Alvin Bragg was playing cutesy with us on what this case was built upon from the moment he indicted Donald Trump. And we heard that reason for the first time during closing arguments in this case. Donald Trump was not afforded due process in this case, not by a long shot. They refused to tell the defendant, who had to answer to criminal charges, what they were charging him with. We only found out hours ago, after his defense attorney sat down and had no additional chance to address the jury. It was done with the cooperation and complicity of Judge Merchan, who is supposedly an independent, fair-minded jurist. It's a lie. I don't give a shit what was written in the New York statute. There's this thing called the U.S. Constitution that requires due process, and the Constitution reigns supreme. The Constitution requires that a defendant has due process afforded to him before we throw him in jail, take away his liberty, or convict him of a crime, and there is zero chance any statute that allows the prosecutor to hide the felony all the way through closing would ever be upheld.
Okay. So that basically is the essence of all of this. The Trump defense was not really told what he was being accused of until the defense had to rest. And that is direct violation of due process under the law, right? Lady Justice is supposed to be blind. You are supposed to be charged with something, have time for your lawyer to put up a proper defense on top of what we just showed you as it relates to the jury, which can now go for this 444 thing through Merchan.